So, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the types of ROM in the memory part. The second one is types of ROM. So, memories in the ROM family are distinguished by the method of using in write the data to them, usually called programming, and the number of times they can be rewritten. So, the program memory or a code storage memory can be embedded systems that stores a program instructions, and it can be classified into different types of for the based on their requirement. There contains the ROM had to specify the before the chip protection, so the actual data could be used in arranging in the transistors inside the chip. Coming to the types of the ROMs, the first one is programmable read-only memory, PROM, programmable read-only memory. So programmable read-only memory is unlike masked ROM memory. Unlike masked ROM memory, what does it mean? Masked ROM means masked ROM is one type of programmable device that make use of the hardwired technology for the storage of the data. So masked RAM is using for the hardwired technology to storage the data. In the programmable read-only memory, programmable memory or a PR is not a pre-programmed by the manufacturers. It's not pre-programmed by the manufacturer. The end user is responsible for the programming these devices. The user is responsible for these devices. The memory is an nichrome or polysilicon wires are arranging in the matrix. These wires can be functionally used as fuses. Majorly functionally used as fuses. It is programmed by a PROM programmer which is selectively burns the fuses according to the pattern to be stored. Fuses are the not burned represents the logic 1 is the fuses which are burned, and the logic 0 the default set of logic 1. So that there is a program read memory is for the user end purpose. So this is always at logic 1 only. So coming to the next one, EPROM, electrically programmable read-only memory. So electrically programmable read-only memory, uh, during the development phase, the code is subject to continuous charges using an OTP each time to load the code into the economical. So erasable programmable read-only memory. Erasable programmable read-only memory means PROM will be erasable. If it is required, user requires, it will be erasable read-only memory. The EPROM contains the quartz crystal window for erasing the storage information. How to erase the information? Using the quartz crystal window technique for erasing the storage data. In the programmable read-only memory, always logic 1 to store the data in the fuses, that is erased by the electrically programmable read-only memory with the technique of quartz crystal windows technique. So coming to the next one, the next one is EPROM, that is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So electrically erasable, the name indicates that it information contained in the EPROM memory can be altered by using the electrical signals that register and the byte level. They can be erased and the reconfigured in the circuit. These chips are including a chip erase mode, and in this mode they can be erased in few milliseconds. So it provides a greater flexibility for the system design. The only the limitations is their capacity is limited when compared to the standard ROM. Capacity is limited for the standard ROM compared to the. So this is electrical signals. It is this memory is erasable by using the electrical signal. That's why this is called as, the name indicates, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So coming to the, so next one, flash memory. So next one is the flash memory. So flash is an least is the latest ROM technology, and it is the most powerful popular RAM technology used in the today's embedded designs. Flash memory. So flash memory is a variation of electrically erasable programmable read-only memory technology. It combines the reprogrammable of electrically erasable programmable read-only memory and the high capacity of standard ROMs, standard read-only memories. The flash memory is organized a sector blocks. Yes, flash memory stores the information in the array of floating gate MOSFET transistors. It is erasing memory can be done at sector level or a page level without affecting the other sector pages or the data. So flash memory means using the floating MOSFET transistors are using for the storing of the data. In this erasing time, the flash memory is erasing one type of data. The remaining systems are the no problem, means it does not affect on the other systems. So this is about the flash memory. Nowadays the majorly are using this one. So coming to the next one, NVRAM, that is a non-volatile RAM. So non-volatility is also a characteristics of the RAM, and the hybrid memory is discussed previously. So the NVRAM is a physically very different from the those devices. It contains the static RAM based memory and the minute battery for providing the supply to the memory to absence of external power supply. In the absence of external power supply, it will give the power supply. The memory and the battery are packed together in a signal package. Memory and the battery packed together for the signal package. This lifespan of NVRAM is expected to be around the 10 years. That is DS1644 is a maximum does in the example of 32 KB NVRAM. Maximum NVRAM. This is about the types of ROMs and memory.